Right, we've got the variac turned up to the right voltage, what we want. Actually, I'm going to turn it up to full voltage. Medium wave's been selected. We have a voltmeter here, which will shoot straight up to the right voltage. We're going to go straight for full voltage. There's the multimeter fluke. It's now recording what happens. We've got a light bulb and a radio. Okay, so it's already switched on. All we've got to do is turn the variac on and we'll look at the multimeter. See, our light comes on straight away. Now it goes dim, which it's supposed to do.
Implicit bias plays a key part, is estimated to be worth $8 billion a year. 8 billion. The UK is following suit. We're in the heart of Canary Wharf. I'm standing underneath a very high skyscraper, at least a dozen stories high, and it's the headquarters of one of the big four accountancy firms, KPMG. There were thousands of people here, and every single one of them has to take diversity training and learn about.
And now it's going to be turning on VHF
to observe one of their courses.
That's full voltage. Now we're going to be turning down the voltage until we get the radio come back on. That's just below 150. So we've turned the voltage down to 150 volts, just under. And our amperage has come down to that. So now we're going to turn the variac up to full voltage. It's going to whack it straight up. And that's what our multimeter is saying there. Turning it off. I've turned that off, by the way. So now we click on to stop, save, save name, recording a different options to save it in. It's just trying to put it on something I might remember. Okay, you're going to save it on panel. Hit save, saving. So that my meter is now saved that. So now we hit trend. Just going to get the meter over a bit further so you can see it. Okay, 2 seconds. Right, okay, if you remember, just a quick summary of what we did. We already set the variac for full voltage, and we turn the variac on like full. The light's gone out. As you saw, the light bulb came on dimly, which it would do, as all the valves are cold when you first turn on. So that'll be this spike going right up here. As the valves warmed up, came down, and that's our graph as it went along. And then as the valves started to warm up even more, it came down further. And then we then switched on VHF. That's it climbing up there for VHF. And then when we turned it off, down it came. Down it came. It's a useful feature of this meter where you can record what it's seeing. It gives the date, the time and everything, if it's set correctly, that is. So it says 8:38 PM. Yeah, it's a bit out, it doesn't matter. But there you go. Now you can scroll it along. And look at any particular part of it. Yep, hit summary. Trend. Okay, if that's been any help to you guys, that's brilliant. It's a bit of a help to me because it tells me what's going on. According to that, it's a nice pattern so that you can see what's going on, but there you go. It's drawing more current than it's supposed to. I know it is. So I'll post this so you can see it for yourself, and as I say, I've got some other things I've got to do. Unfortunately, these things happen. But I've got plenty of resistors, and I've probably got more than enough capacitors. Whether I've got the values that I need is another thing. Values and voltages. I've got a load here somewhere. I definitely got plenty of resistors in the various wattages that we need. Okay, I'll post this as a quick little video just to show you what that's something that a car lasts for, something that I've been looking for. Now the reason why you didn't get this before, even though it was wired up, was I didn't quite understand my meter properly, and even though I had it set up correctly for 10 amps max fused, as far as the leads are concerned, which is that there, I didn't turn my meter on to AC. That's the reason why it was set to DC. So there you go. I've not done very much with my meter measuring amps before. Done plenty of voltage checks and resistance checks and stuff like that, but not done amperages. I was hoping to do something with an actual meter, but if I'd ordered the right meters in the first place, we probably would have done. But there you go. All right then. I'd like to wish you all the best, and thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye.